We are at the mercy of powerful natural forces, much more powerful than a rain shower with tiny drops, a bolt of lightning striking dexterously. Feelings draw one another from a corner into another, live in the dark without food and drink. From the cave, a Dantean inferno of nestling birds reaches ears. God increased to draw water with fury, the drops turned into pearls in a bubbling sea. I would adopt that seagull happily bathing in the rain. I would adopt that seagull, the one happily bathing in the rain, if it wanted something else than the bread from my hand. It seems to be enough so far for all of us. Willy Wurler called himself a pirate, posed in pictures with a rifle in his hand, but he did also deeds of compassion for the little seagull island and its animals in front of Gotland. In a fishing cabin burns a little light, birds come and go, blue and red feelings on this July night. In a room filled with a smell of tar, drifts a lonely driftwood, tracked by the wind, dashes against a rock, collects around ageless growth rings, a fossil surrounded by a spiral-like figure.